Are you tired of your Keurig coffee machine not performing as well as it used to? Maybe your coffee doesn't taste as fresh as it once did, or perhaps you're starting to notice some inconsistent performance. Well, fear not, because I've got just the solution for you. The Urnex Coffee Descaling Kit designed specifically for use with Keurig coffee makers. Let me tell you, this kit is a game changer. It includes everything you need to clean and decale your Keurig machine, ensuring that you not only get better tasting coffee but also extend the lifespan of your beloved coffee maker. The kit comes with a Clean Cup cleaning capsule and a 4-ounce bottle of Clean Cup descaling liquid. First off, let's talk about the cleaning capsule. This little wonder works wonders in removing coffee residue and oils that can accumulate inside your Keurig machine over time. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much gunk it can get rid of with just one use. Now, onto the descaling liquid. This stuff is a lifesaver when it comes to breaking down lime scale and mineral buildup, which are notorious for causing machine failure and those pesky performance issues. Just a simple descaling session with this liquid, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your coffee maker's performance. One thing I really appreciate about this kit is its compatibility with all Keurig K-Cup single cup machines, including the Keurig 2.0 models. It's nice to know that regardless of which Keurig machine you own, this kit has got you covered. And let's talk about convenience. The whole descaling process is incredibly easy and straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions provided with the kit. No need to call in a professional or spend hours tinkering with your machine, just follow the steps, and you're good to go. Overall, I can't recommend the Urnex Coffee Descaling Kit enough. If you're a Keurig coffee lover like me, investing in this kit is a no-brainer. Say goodbye to coffee machine woes and hello to consistently delicious coffee every time. Trust me, your taste buds, and your Keurig machine, will thank you for it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.